I come from a family of mechanics, and I learned how to drive on my great-grandpa's F-100. I think that's when I first fell in love with Ford. A vintage Ford Bronco was my dream car. I wanted that car so bad. I was the only girl in the shop. I changed the transmission, added power steering, new brakes, updated the radio, the suspension, redesigned the interior, and added a roll bar, but that is just the beginning. At first, I made videos to show just my family the process, but it turned out that a bunch of other people love seeing them too. And once I finished my Bronco, I had to get a Mustang, of course. The whole experience showed me I could do more than I thought I could. I hope other women see my passion for cars and want to follow their own passions too.